Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Bank Holiday Monday of the Coronation weekend, and where better to go and visit than what is rumoured to be King Charles's bird hide in North Norfolk at a place called Flitcham. Now, there's nothing in the bird hide that confirms that it is, or that it does belong to him, but that's the rumour. So let's go in and have a look. Instantly, there's a little owl in a tree trunk sheltering. It's quite a long way off. And one of the many marsh harriers is continuing to fly around. And a nesting coot sorting her nest out. Look, isn't that sweet? Then we have Shelduck. These will be pushed out the way soon once the oyster catchers, the very noisy oyster catchers, fly in and claim these little rocks as their own. Here we go. I do like them. Naturally, the bird hide is full, so you will hear people chatting. I've tried to take out as much of the chatter as I can, but it's so exciting when something flies in that, you're all telling each other, saying, look, deer on the right, or marsh harrier with food. It's wonderful. It is really, really wonderful here. I think this might actually be my all-time favourite bird hide. Looking very regal are the Canada geese as they swim past, looking at everything else as if they own the place. Getting out very gracefully, I have to say. I never actually saw them with any goslings, but perhaps they do have a nest somewhere close by with some eggs in it. This is where one of the marsh harrier nests is based, here in the reeds. So trying to film through the reeds is impossible. So it is out of focus, clearly out of focus, but it is feeding its young. The little owl has finally woken up. I thought it was going to sleep all day, but no, I'm in luck. Look at this very proud mum and dad out with their young. I think they actually had 6 goslings. And there's another deer has appeared, so that makes 3 in total. The other 2 have gone off without it. He's obviously far too busy munching on the grass. Oh, wait a minute, I might be on my own after all. There we go. This is another set, not the ones I just showed you. Another set. Little brood, more goslings with mum and dad, and the little owl has decided it's going to be brave and sit on top of the tree trunk. It needs to be careful with the Marsh harrier flying around that it doesn't become lunch. Some more food's just been taken into the Marsh harrier nest. I wonder what's on today's menu. I think it's probably best we don't know. The Marsh harrier looks like it's feeding something. Come and have a look before it vanishes. Coming up in a second is footage of the Marsh harrier eating something. You don't actually see it, but you know, just look away if it's going to upset you in any way. Straight line to where I'm looking, it's just caught something, I don't know what. So that's what was the one that was in the tree, I imagine. They have babies to feed, so obviously they're going to be catching birds or whatever else it is that they take home to their young. Well, this is just about at the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed being there. So much to see, so much happening all at the same time. Absolutely brilliant. And sorry about the noise of, other people in the hive speaking, chatting away, or the noise of their cameras. It's just one of those things, we all get used to it. When we're there in the hide, we don't even hear people's cameras or other people chatting unless they're pointing out things. Anyway, take care of yourselves, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye for now.